fair brings the pages of Country Living magazine to life. So you'll see 20 to 25,000 shoppers here, 250 vendors selling vintage wares, homemade, handcrafted items, and you can't leave the fair empty-handed. In addition to the great shopping, you can also attend all sorts of demos. And so we have the fabulous Beekman Boys. We have Kari Kuxi of Cash and Kari. Plenty of craft demos. We showcase plenty of how-tos from the magazine. There's really a chance to interact with the editors and, learn in addition to shop.
I just walked in. She's been here yesterday, but I'm excited to see everything.
And I'm excited to see everything again.
I'm really looking for some unique, oversized art for our living room. I saw some embroidered cowboy boots there.
Oh, they were so cool. And I got this acorn ring.
The Earth Angels area was a must-see.
Very inspirational.
Yeah.
Very inspirational. I just came from the lemonade stand. It was inspirational as well.
We like the variety of different crafts versus antiques versus flea market.
We all ran into someone that we had seen on television, and that was pretty fun.
Yeah.
Emily Henderson was here. She walked right past me.
So we've had a really good time at the fair. We ate delicious food. We did a bunch of shopping.
What's great about the fair, it's like a big family event, so it's cool to be a part of it.
We always love talking to the crowds here because people here are not afraid to ask questions.
And everybody is just like a neighbor, so you can walk around, greet everybody. We haven't made any purchases yet because we just got here 5 minutes ago, but my wallet is burning a hole in my pocket.
This event was a great reflection of Country Living magazine.
I think it's everything that the magazine always illustrated.
And more.
And more. There's a bit of everything here.
This is the first Country Living fair I've been to, and I definitely loved it, and I can't wait to come back.